Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by making sure your PC meets requirements and that you're signed into the right account. Open the Xbox app or the dedicated Game Pass app and sign in with the account that has Game Pass. Once signed in, sync the Microsoft Store and allow background apps so installs can proceed. You want updates enabled so drivers and the store stay current. This prevents installation errors. Now navigate to the Game Pass library and search for the game you want to install. You select your desired title and click Install on PC, choosing the drive with enough free space. While downloading, keep an eye on the Xbox app's queue or Microsoft Store progress so you can pause or prioritize downloads. Make sure optional components like DirectX, Visual C++, and GPU drivers install. They prevent crashes and improve performance. Once the download completes, the app may verify files. Let it finish. If prompted, restart Windows to finalize driver or component update. You launch the game from the Xbox app or the Start menu. If it asks to update, allow it to complete. Make sure Game Pass subscription is active and the app shows the game as installed. If something goes wrong, try clearing the Microsoft Store cache with WS Reset and sign out/sign back into the Xbox app. Should problems continue, use Windows settings to repair or reset the game app or uninstall and reinstall. These steps usually fix corrupted files and permissions quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.